Mini Ninjas Final Ninja Dog on it. Level 1, Part 4. You may think this will take quite a while. Well, there aren't many levels, but they're still quite long. So, our adventure finally begins. I finished with training, and my Ninja Master here has decided to let me go. So I let her go. Goodbye, Ninja Master. You are now leaving Ninja Mountain. Let no one see you enter or exit the park. But who could possibly be watching me? Samurai. These are the first samurai we are going to go and face. Let's go sneak up on them. We'll just quickly sneak around this way. Don't want to drop too far down at the time. Well, you might just have to. If you like, there's the samurai. And if you want to get back up, then you have to go up here. But I'm not going back up. You have a mission to go on. No, it clearly stands that there is not a Kuju shrine nearby. Time to disguise. But they haven't seen me. Let's go. It is clear that these samurai are not wise. They have not yet seen me. But now they have. Also, when you've collected enough of these yellow balls, you can spirit form on ninjas. Well, not ninjas, but samurai. Wow. Well then, time to practice the hat. You could jump down there, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to simply crouch down here. See? I can now protect myself from arrows. Not very good with aiming though. And now, our enemy samurai have changed into animals. Oh, they were animals before. It was the warlock's dark magic who turned them into samurai. They didn't really get the choice anyway. But we have to fight them to return them. Changes, how strange. Or you can destroy these cages. Sometimes they have animals hidden in them. Anyway, road to the village of the bear. Village of the bear. Strange. This must be where the village of the bear is. Let's go to the next level. Don't forget to watch out